So, you've been saving those spare change coins with Acorns, and now you're wondering, how much can you actually pull out of an ATM? Good question. We're diving deep into the world of Acorns withdrawals today. Let's face it, there's nothing quite like the satisfying feeling of cold, hard cash in your hand. But when it comes to Acorns, things might not be as straightforward as you think. Is there a limit? Can you withdraw your entire balance? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the Acorns ecosystem. It's more than just an app, it's a financial platform with a few different components. There's the invest account where your spare change magically grows into an investment portfolio. Then there's the spend account, which is more like a traditional checking account. And finally, there's the personal account, which is your personal vault for larger savings goals. The key to understanding ATM withdrawals lies in the spend account. This is where your everyday spending happens, and it's also where your ATM card is linked. Now, the good news is, there's no minimum balance required for the spend account, and you can transfer money to it from your invest or personal accounts whenever you need. But here's the catch, while there's no minimum balance, there might be limits on how much you can withdraw. Acorns has implemented daily and monthly withdrawal limits to protect you from fraudulent activity and to ensure smooth operations. These limits can vary, so it's essential to check your Acorns app for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about fees. Acorns is pretty generous when it comes to ATM fees. You can withdraw cash from in-network ATMs without any fees. However, if you use an out-of-network ATM, you might face a fee charged by the ATM owner. Acorns might also impose a fee in this case, so it's always best to use in-network ATMs whenever possible. Another thing to consider is the type of ATM withdrawal you're making. Some ATMs allow you to make balance inquiries without affecting your withdrawal limit. However, if you request cash, it will count towards your daily or monthly limit. So, to summarize, the amount you can withdraw from an ATM with Acorns depends on your spend account balance, the ATM network, and the withdrawal limits set by Acorns. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, understanding these factors will help you manage your money effectively. Remember, Acorns is a tool to help you grow your wealth, not a cash machine. Use it wisely and responsibly. And if you ever have any doubts or questions, don't hesitate to contact Acorns customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.